Hi, many of you have faced this issue. After installing Revit any version, you will find a missing family. Let us say if you try to upload a window, you will get this prompt that there is no window family is available, and the same goes for structure. Like if you try to upload a beam, there is no family available. Even if you try to load it from Autodesk library, the library is empty. And this is the same for MEP. If you try to upload any mechanical family, then go to load family, it is empty. Even for English or English Imperial, the content is missing. So this is a very common issue faced by many BIM engineers or newly who has installed Revit. But don't worry, in this video we will discuss where to find the Revit content library, how to download it, and we will see the installation process step by step. And this is 100% workable. So let's start. So open the Google Chrome browser and type here Autodesk Revit content and press enter, and the very first link you will find Autodesk Revit content here from Autodesk. Click it and you can find all the Revit content from the version 2020, 21, 22, 23 and 24, and those who are using Revit 2025 and 26, they have to directly go to the Autodesk account and from there they have to download it. Okay, so if you are using lower version like 24, 23, 22, you can click here, but I will tell you how to download for 25 and 26, and this is the same for all other versions. So click on Autodesk account. And after that you have to sign in and enter your email address and password, whichever your Autodesk account you have, and then log in. After logging in, go to the products and service, and from here search for Revit. Autodesk Revit will appear, and below you will find a link view details. Click it. And inside that, once you scroll down, you will find 4 buttons: updates, extension, plugins, and libraries. You have to go to libraries, and from here just scroll down and search for US content. See, US English content for Revit 2026. So click on download and the download will start. And it will ask you for a location. I have already downloaded this file, so I am just simply clicking on cancel, but you have to save at a particular location and it will take almost 5 to 10 minutes based on your internet speed. Okay. Once the file is downloaded, you can find it in the particular location. Mostly it will be under your downloads. So this is the file. You have to select, right click and click on open. The extraction will happen and it will go up to 100%. So you have to wait till then. An Autodesk Windows dialog box will pop up. And it will say Autodesk US English Content Library. So click on install, and that is simple. The installation is started now. You have to wait till the 100% is complete. Now the installation is 100% complete. Click on finish. After installation, now you have to close your files and close the Revit and once again open the same. And once you have done that, now you can go back and check, go to architecture. Let us say if I want to select Windows, and once you click on yes, now you can find all the missing libraries. So just go to Windows and you can get all the families here. Same goes for structure. Go to columns, for example, and you can go to load family. From there you can find columns. And if you are an MEP, then go to systems, let us say air terminals, load family, and go to mechanical, MEP, airside components. Now you can find all the air terminals here. So see, all the families is available. I hope this video is helpful for you. And if you like the content, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'm bringing more content on Revit and there is an upcoming courses in Revit. So stay tuned. Thank you.